Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove default clothes in a Roblox avatar. So go ahead to your app or website and then click the three bars at the top left, right? And then go ahead to the avatar. Okay, excuse me. I'm gonna click the avatar. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and change your default clothes. So if I'm wearing this, I'm gonna change it to this, right? And you're gonna see the final result, right? I'm gonna go ahead and change this, for example. Let me go to clothing, for example, and change the shorts, right? And go to, the highlighted right here at the top to see basically what you purchased, right? So you can go ahead to your clothing. Let's say I'm dropping this clothes, right? Changing it. Basically, you now changing the default clothes. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.